everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Corner. This is Katrina coming at you with another concept. This one in green. Green is money, honey. So in this one, the same concept as the yellow basket. I used the bath salts and I did the colors just to put a little pop of color in there and bring out some of the colors in the body wash as well as the bath bombs. And that is the coconut lavender flavored bath bombs and body wash. I also have the Stormy Night candle in there, a loafa, and our mint lip balm. I sprinkled this one with some tulips, and I used some garland that I had from, or this pick I had from Christmas that I thought was really cute, and it adds a little sparkle to the basket without making it looking, you know, Christmassy, holiday-ish. But it does give this basket a little bit of sparkle. And again, this basket is very versatile. You can use it for any occasion. I used cello wrap on this bag because I ran out of shrink wrap. But that's okay. Everything is taped down. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like the way I play with those colors in there? I topped this with a beautiful green bow with the blue tulip in the middle. Thank you for watching. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.